What is up, YouTube? Does it look like I'm a little bit tired? You know, I have a new hat, by the way. It's red, appropriate for the season for Christmas. Does it look like I'm a little bit tired? If it does, it's because I was up all night. I was thinking about how insane this offer actually is and how I can make it, well, even more insane. So I'm going to tell you all about it. It's basically a 50 for 1 offer. The most ridiculous thing I've ever seen. For $12, you get 50 different courses in software and IM to basically just build out your entire library with this thing. It's called Brown Bear Bargains. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming right up. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with the hat. And why would that be, you might ask? Well, it's because I wear one of these guys pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people that can pull it successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill. Feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be as stale as well. Last year's Christmas cookies. Would you believe some people still have them sitting around? Shocking, I know. Anyway, seriously though, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. And why do I do this thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Bart, really? For Christmas, could you get a new line? Christmas is in a few days. Could we get him a new line for Christmas, please? The way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos in love of mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you so much, Liz. See, Liz is a sweetheart. I love Liz. You know, and you know, who can get angry at such a person? And, if you are new, make sure you guys smash that subscribe button at the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we are looking right now at the sales page for Brown Bear Bargains. So this is the most ridiculous thing ever. It's $12 or $12.95. Okay, so 95 cents, whatever. Okay, for $12.95, you get Rhino Results, Halloween Method Pro, Ducky Dollars Pro, Dolphin Dividends Pro, Eagle Emails 365, Jackbox Pro, Line Listings Pro, Monkey Mailers Pro, Panda Payments Pro, Wombat Wealth Pro, Second Wave System Pro, Kevin Feige's 6 IM checklist, my own durable, Ryan Max free giveaway profits. You get Akhtar Alam's Insta Quick Income. You get Jason Okel's Easy JVZoo Secrets. You get Ronnie Rocksmith's Automation Secrets. You get Dan Mahedi's Trigger. You get Johnny Rose's Blabbermouth Bucks. You get Bobby D's Listastic. You get, this is insane how it goes on and on and on. Will Weatherly's Profit Zenith. John Altrest's CB Data Fox. Okay, John Newman's The Collector. Guy Potuk's Piggyback Profits. And also Guy Potuk's Profits Engine. Sasha Illick's Supernova Profits. And it goes on and on. Meerkat Money, Rhino Results, the Halloween Method, Animal Kingdom Anarchy, Second Wave System. These are the basic as opposed to the pro versions that we saw above. Ducky Dollars, Wombat Wealth, Monkey Mailers, Lion Listings, Jaguar Jackpots, Dolphin Dividends, Greyhound Giveaways, Panda Payments, Puma Products, Internet Marketing Alphabet, the Lockdown Formula, Kruger Commissions, Leopard List, Eagle Emails, Tiger Traffic, Panther Profits, Cashless Creator, Moo Cow Moolah, Expansion, and Affiliate Marketing Bootcamp from Saban Temizna. Okay, that's ridiculous. Okay, I'll show you my video in just a minute, but I want to be even more ridiculous because I'm going to show you tell you about my own bonus. So my own personal bonus. Let me pull it up real quick because I can tell you all about it. Just a second. Let's see. Okay, my own personal bonus. I thought I had it pulled up, and I really am kind of tired. In all seriousness, yes, I was thinking about this also, that you know, trying to figure out what to do as far as a bonus is concerned, but also my cat was keeping me up all night. Maybe he's excited about Christmas and, you know, thinks that that Santa's going to bring him a fish or something. I don't know, but he was up all night long. Anyhow, but my own bonus, on top of all the other stuff you're getting in my course on split testing, product launching, how to market with video, Pinterest marketing, capital raising, 24-hour traffic machine, social signals marketing, building a blog network, ninja blogging, passive income, Campervan Commissions, conversion cash machine, my InstaBioLink software, SEO Explosion, my Instagram software for automatic following and unfollowing. And if you pick up any upgrade, I'm going to give you 1 year of Conversion Champ. Okay, this is the most insane package you're ever going to find. I'm serious. I can't believe how much there is in this thing. We'll take a quick look at the members area just so you can see. Basically, you can see all these you get for free. Okay, access all the upsell products, you get all those for free. Okay, you get all these things for free. On top of those, you have a bunch of bonuses here. So between my bonuses and everything here, I think it works out to what, about 70, 75 different products. You literally get an entire library worth of products teaching you everything you possibly need to know, and it's $12. Literally $12. And you know, it's like that's just crazy if you ask me. Absolutely crazy. So let's see if I'm going to give a tip if I have the product here or not, although I think I kind of gave that away. You rock! Yeah, that was obvious. I mean, seriously, you know, you rock. You know, like, you know, there's nothing like brand new, but the sheer volume here is simply insane, and it's insane not to grab this for $12. It's like Christmas came early, a few days early. Anyhow, you can go ahead and grab this one. This one is really worth picking up. You're going to love this one.